Before startup, a motor check is required to ensure proper rotation. Please refer to Vanair's technical manual for operating instructions and equipment maintenance charts. When installing or servicing any equipment, please be sure to follow applicable codes and practices. Always follow plant and OSHA safety procedures. Before placing the unit into initial service, and anytime electrical connections to the motor have been disconnected and reconnected, make sure to check the motor rotation. If the pump is run in the wrong direction, damage can occur. The tools you need for this video are Allen wrenches, also known as hex keys, in the following sizes: 5/32, 5/16, and 3/8. Motor check, Step 1. Perform the lockout-tagout procedure to ensure motor cannot be started accidentally. Step 2. Remove the coupling guard with an Allen wrench. Pay attention to the guard, as it disassembles into two separate pieces and requires proper reassembly. Disconnect the motor from the pump by backing out both halves of the drive hubs of pump and motor. Remove sleeve and retighten hubs. Warning: failure to tighten the coupler set screw may result in personal injury. Step 3. Remove the lockout-tagout and jog the motor by momentarily switching the electrical power on. Direction of the motor shaft rotation must correspond to the arrow icon on the pump. Step 4. Upon confirmation of correct rotation, reinstall lockout-tagout. Assemble coupling components and torque set screws to manufacturing specification and install guarding. Reassemble the coupling components and guard.